Suppose you are entering a list of order numbers, letters, or dates. A quick entry shortcut may help you and save you time. Speed up data entry in Google Sheets with the autofill feature. To create a sequence such as 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, enter the first two numbers 12, 13. At minimum, you have to select two numbers. Click and drag. You can see the blue dot which converts to plus sign later on. Drag it down. Google Sheet will automatically continue the pattern. Similarly, to generate multiples like 12, 24, 36, you can also do it in the similar way. Click and drag, then drag it down. Google Sheet will detect the pattern and extend it accordingly. But keep in mind that a minimum of two instances is required for Google Sheets to recognize the sequence. These features work for numbers, dates, and more, making data entry faster, smoother, and more efficient. Now, let us create a decreasing number of series in Google Sheets. The autofill feature isn't just for vertical list, it works horizontally too. Now, let me show you in descending order. Select this two and drag it horizontally. Did you see? Whether you're working with ascending, descending, or custom pattern, this powerful tool adapts seamlessly, making data entry intuitive and effortless. It works perfect for dates as well.